After more than 3 years of waiting, this seems to be at last occurring. The Shiba Inu community was never so lively before. This evening marks the turning point for everybody. I will stay awake for many days. Right now, sleep is really costly. Still, what exactly am I talking about? Now, let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inus have had a fantastic year 2024. The price of Shiba Inu has surged an amazing 131% year to date, claims CryptoRank. Shiba Inu has seen 3 of the 5 months so far show positive increase. March was the largest gain since the price surged 145% in just 1 month. With a 13% rise, May was also a decent month, snapping a 2-year losing run for the asset. And now it seems that Shiba Inus are capable of doing just that. With Australia joining the Bitcoin ETF fever, tomorrow is expected to be a crucial day for the whole crypto scene. The first spot Bitcoin ETF from Australia is opening for trading on Tuesday. Today's crypto market is more exciting than it has ever been. The major influence such events have had in the past makes one excited. Daily inflows of hundreds of millions of dollars greeted the first Bitcoin ETF when it debuted in the United States. This surge enabled Shiba Inu to expand impressively over 100% year-to-date and helped Bitcoin hit a new all-time high. Shiba Inu is, as far as we know, very sensitive to changes in Bitcoin. Consequently, the Shiba Inu community is rather optimistic and alert as tomorrow may be quite significant for them. Fascinatingly, Monochrome Asset Management is the first to be approved under a new crypto asset licensing category established under Australian financial services licensing laws in 2021, yet Australia currently boasts multiple exchange-traded products with Bitcoin exposure. This permission lets their ETF hold Bitcoin straightforwardly. Monochrome claims to have Bitcoin assets kept offline in a device not linked to the internet, utilizing a crypto custody solution compliant with Australian institutional custody guidelines. Australian investors can only invest in ETFs either via holding Bitcoin or via offshore Bitcoin products before today. And here is something rather fascinating. This ETF enables in-kind redemptions from investors, unlike its equivalents in the United States, which are cash settled. Investors may therefore get real Bitcoin instead of cash upon sale of their shares. Given the constant expansion of indirect Bitcoin ETF products in recent months, Monochrome CEO Jeff Yu anticipates great demand in his company's ETF. Providing direct Bitcoin exposure together with in-kind redemptions, he thinks will draw more investors searching for a safe and controlled approach to put money into Bitcoin. Australia is a highly crypto-heavy nation, Yu observed, and anticipates local spot Bitcoin ETFs will pull in between $3 and $4 billion in net inflows over the first 3 years. This is a large sum. Hence, it will be interesting to see how this develops and what effects it will have on the crypto market generally. Still, this represents just the top of the iceberg. Not to overlook is that we just received approval for an Ethereum ETF in the US, and trading should begin this month. And here some on-chain data points lead to some insane news. With only 10% on controlled exchanges, Ether supply is lowest in years. Over $3 billion worth of Ether has been taken off exchanges after the US ETF approval, indicating a supply constraint. Less coins are thus accessible for sale as investors migrate their Ether to self-custody. Usually, moving coins to self-custody indicates that one is intending to hang onto them rather than sell. Many predicted a significant sell-off in the framework of the authorized Ethereum ETF. Positively, however, it seems that individuals are opting to retain their Ether instead. This holding behavior implies that investors are not aiming to cash out fast and have faith in the long-term worth of Ether, therefore helping to stabilize and maybe raise the price. Based on statistics from CryptoQuant, about 797,000 Ether, equivalent to $3 billion, was taken out from exchanges between May 23 and June 2. As was previously observed, this notable drop in exchange reserves points to investors relocating their coins to self-custody for uses other than quick sales. Based on Bloomberg's ETF writer Eric Balchunas, Ether-based ETFs should open by the end of July. Many analysts think Ether might reach its November 2021 all-time high established. This evolution will surely affect the crypto market overall, thereby helping other cryptocurrencies as well. Like with Bitcoin ETFs, the launch of Ethereum ETFs might generate more institutional interest and investment in the larger cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, considering Shiba Inu's sensitivity to swings in Bitcoin ETFs, some predict similar behavior with Ethereum ETFs. Should Ethereum ETFs draw large amounts of capital and cause Ether's price to rise, this might have a favorable impact on the value of other cryptocurrencies such Shiba Inu. And a very excellent justification supports this point of view. Given its reduced structural sell pressure, DeFi reporter and crypto researcher Michael Nadeau noted that Ether might perhaps gain even more from this increase in demand than Bitcoin. Ethereum validators do not have the same running costs as Bitcoin miners who regularly sell their Bitcoin to pay for mining charges. And also, as it clarifies a basic distinction between Ethereum and Bitcoin, this viewpoint is both clever and interesting. Given certain conditions, especially during times of higher demand, Ether might naturally see less downward pressure on its price than Bitcoin. This realization emphasizes the unique characteristics of the Ethereum ecosystem and adds even another level of complexity to the debate on possible expansion in front of the forthcoming Ethereum ETF launch. And these are exactly the why Shiba Inu may deviate from its 3-year pattern of August being a bearish month. Apart from these advancements, a fresh crypto research shows that 6.8% of individuals possess digital assets. Many see cryptocurrencies as profitable financial prospects, hence this increase in usage follows ahead of the much-awaited crypto bull run. Based on AAA's research, in 2024 about 562 million people, equivalent to 6.8% of the world's population, own some kind of digital asset. This boom shows a 34% rise from 2023. The perhaps forthcoming crypto bull run has been a main driver of crypto acceptance globally, inspiring fear of losing out among inquisitive investors who view it as an opportunity to maybe make large returns from a legal investment path. Driven by the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs and subsequent approval of spot Ethereum ETFs, analysts estimate that the 2024 crypto bull run might be the biggest ever seen. You should conduct your study. This is not financial advice. However, Shiba Inu's impetus required to break its August negative trend and maybe experience big gains might come from this rising acceptance and good market mood. On that, however, what do you think? Comment below. Reading your point of view would be much anticipated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.